Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Dhara Craft Creation. Today I share a video tutorial on this scrapbook layout. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for the more update of tutorials, and don't forget to like, comment and share our video. For the background, I use stencils and this texture paste which I made at home. If you want a tutorial on this homemade texture paste as well as gesso, then please comment it below. I will sure update a tutorial on it. So I just apply a texture paste and I just used a wastage brush for that. Now I just apply this bicycle stencil. It's look very cool. Now time for the bee. Now with the help of heat tool, I just dry this old texture paste. Now I apply a gesso. Now with the help of watercolor, I just color here and there and spray the water. And with the help of cloth, you can just remove the excess waters. Now I take the paper, or you can take a embellishment, die cuts, whatever you want, and with the help of double tape I stick it on a golden cardstock, and now I just stick this part at here like this. Okay, and now I just decorate this whole thing, all the background with the help of my handmade flowers. So now enhance the beauty of my flowers, I use these pollens and I just stick these pollens here and there. Now I use these die cuts for the decoration, and our layout is almost ready. And thank you for the